What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, I'm coming at y'all with a surprise unboxing from Lids HD. Shout out to Lids. I really appreciate the last package that they sent out from their Bunny Hop collection. If you haven't already seen that video, definitely check it out. And they sent me something. I don't know what it is. I haven't peeked. We're going to be opening it up together. Here it is. Y'all know the vibes. We got the Lids HD black box on deck. In my upcoming hat releases video, I did see that they have a new drop coming out on May 27th. So I'm thinking that this has something to do with that. But let's go ahead and open it up. Of course, y'all get the first look. What is it? All right, you got some tissue paper. Smooth that. Ooh, they sent out 2 this time. Okay. Okay. This is not what I was expecting, but I'm even more intrigued. What are these? All right, so there is a card that says, you know, Lids HD, and then you got the Instagram and the Facebook and all of that. But there's a little note on the back that says, a toast to championship celebrations, from the thrill of achievement to legendary locker room revelries. Our newest colorway honors the sweet taste of victory. Inspired by championship traditions, we introduce cigar and champagne pack. The cigar and champagne pack was tough. It was really tough, and I did have my eye out on some of those hats, but I was very busy last week, so I really didn't get to tap in the way that I wanted to. But wow. This is clean. So I'm definitely appreciative of these joints right here. Let's take a closer look at them. So first up, we do have the Yankees champagne. Okay, it's like a dark green. And you got the little gold around the Yankees front logo. That's tough. That's tough. The side patch, really, really nice color placement on that side patch. And the gold accents, they just take it to the next level. It really gives off those championship vibes that they were going for. Brown button on top. Like a champagne, satiny color UV. White guts. We got some more gold on the New Era flag on the side. This is nice. This is real nice. Y'all let me know what y'all picked up from the champagne pack down below in the comment section. Flat Batterman. Some more gold in there, white and black. This is real nice. Shout out to Lids, yo. 7 1/8. Okay. I see y'all. I see y'all. They've been doing their thing. And next we got this Atlanta Braves. This is the cigar collection. Y'all see the gray Atlanta Braves front logo. Brown button on top. Brown UV, white guts. That's clean. I really do like a brown fitted cap. Especially this tone of brown. I feel like we're seeing more and more of like dark brown, kind of like the button in the UV. But this shade of brown right here, this is a good look. This is gonna go with a lot of different stuff. World Series side patch. That's nice. That's real nice. Again, with a little bit of metallic in there for the World Series. All right, y'all did y'all thing. Raised Batterman on these. Not at all what I was expecting, but a great surprise. Shout out to Lids HD for holding it down. These colorways are fire. Fire. Real nice job on this cigar and champagne pack. The championship pack. These are tough. Y'all let me know what y'all copped from the cigar and champagne pack down below in the comment section. Y'all already know I gotta show y'all the close-up, so I'm gonna go ahead and run the B-roll right now. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and make sure you check out Lids HD upcoming drop on May 27th. I'll check y'all out in the next one. I'm gonna let y'all see it first. Oh, that look like a bunny hop. Those actually released today. I'm filming this on Friday. Ooh, it's the Texas Rangers too. Y'all know I've really been digging the Texas Rangers. This is clean. Let's see what else is in the box though. So we got a card in here, Lids HD. Tag us at Lids Hat Drop. Definitely make sure y'all follow them if you're not. Here's to Sunshine, Chocolate, and Fitted. You can tell the kids to keep their candy baskets because we've got you covered. Introducing our latest Bunny Hop collection, releasing Easter weekend, Friday today. The release has already happened. It's like 1 o'clock when I'm filming this. This colorful two-tone is sure to be a gem in your collection. Oh, did we mention the plaid sweatband? That's what's up. That's nice. It's in the details.